So now that you know the purpose of task types, how do you actually change the task type value? In Microsoft Project, you can change the task type value for any task using one of three methods. The first method is to apply the task entry view. This is the split screen view that has the Gantt chart in the top pane and the task form view in the bottom pane. In the task form pane, you can then change the task type value there. Your second choice is to double-click the task, and on the advanced page of the task information dialog, you can change the task type value there. Your third choice is to insert a column. This column's real name is type. Notice it's not task type, it's just called type, and then you can change the type value for any task in the type column. Now let's go ahead and get started hands-on. To begin with, I want to show you a trick that I like to use to display the task entry view. I'm going to right-click anywhere in the white part of the Gantt chart pane, and on the shortcut menu, I'll choose the item called Show Split. This will display the task entry view with the Gantt chart in the top pane, task form in the bottom pane. Notice in the bottom pane, the task form pane, there is a task type pick list where we see the three available options. Notice this type is currently set to fixed units, which is the default, unless you change it otherwise. I don't want to change the first task, so I'll simply click the button called Next. That'll take me to the task Build P1. On this task, I want to change the task type to fixed work. So I'll select fixed work on the pick list, click OK to make the changes stick. When I click the button called Next, that'll take me to the task Test P1. For this task, I'll go ahead and choose fixed duration as the task type, and again, I'll go ahead and click OK. Now I've just changed the task type for two tasks using the first method. To close the task form pane, I'll right-click again anywhere in the white part of the Gantt chart pane, and I'll deselect the Show Split option. Another way to change the task type is to double-click the name of a task. So I'll double-click Implement P1, and I'll go to the advanced page of the task information dialog. Halfway down the dialog, there is a task type pick list. I'm going to change this to fixed work, and then click OK. So there's two methods, and now here's the third one. I'll right mouse click anywhere in the task mode column header, and I'll choose Insert Column on the shortcut menu. I'll type the letters TY. That'll jump directly to the type column. I'll press the Enter key to insert it. Now let's widen it. I'll pull my split bar over. You can see what's going on. Notice that after changing the task type on three different tasks, there was nowhere on the screen that we could actually see which task type value is selected for any task. But if you insert the type column, now it's very easy to see, oh yes, I see fixed units, fixed work, fixed duration, fixed work. Using the type column, you can select the task type for any task. So for the task Design P2, I'm going to change that to fixed duration. So those are the three methods that you can use to change the task type for any task individually.